Hello guys, let's talk about exercise 67 and 68. So in these exercises, we have a total amount of money or products. So in 67, they're talking about they're getting 4,000. Nikita, Melvin, and Simon are given 4,000 euros by their aunt. It's a comma, but remember the English comma is the Dutch dot, so it's a big amount. They divide it in the ratio 4 to 3 to 1. How much does each person receive? All right, let's think about this. What do you do with the 4,000 euros? You know you have to divide it. He gets the ratio 4 to the ratio of 3 to the ratio of 1. That is Nikita, Melvin, and Simon. How are we going to approach this? Well, you know that this person should get 4 times the amount than Simon. And then from Simon, Melvin gets 3 times the amount. I actually want you to pause the video and really think how you can approach something like this. Because when you think about it, let's say you would say 2,000. You would take half of it. That would not even be a bad idea, because if you take half of it, right? This is the 4, and the 3 and the 1 makes together also the 4. So 8 would be everything. Yeah? So if this person, let's say Nikita, is getting 2,000, Melvin and Simon should get together also 2,000, because the total amount is 4,000. How can we divide this? Look at the ratios. Do you have any ideas how can you approach it? Well, after you pause the video, you unpause it, of course. You know that 4, okay, the ratio 4 is 2,000. Over here we got 4 is also 2,000. This is 3, this is 1, so you can divide the 2,000 by 4, which will give you 500. And if Simon gets indeed 500, what is left of the 2,000? Then of course Melvin should get 1,500. And that is true because 500 times 4 is 2,000, 500 times 3 is 1,500, and the total amount is indeed 4,000. So it's correct. But how can you now always find the answer? Because this is really a lot of explaining. How to always find the answer? Well, you add the ratios together, which is 8. You look at the first one, okay, Nikita, which is 4. So you're going to take 4 out of 8 of 4,000 euros. And this, when you go back, I think that this is chapter 4. I think this is even what we did in chapter 4. With the fractions, or chapter 2, I think. It was a long time ago. But I think we managed to do this, calculating fractions of amounts, is chapter 2. And then, of course, you have a calculator. How can you find it? You divide 4,000 by 8 times 4. You get 2,000. For Melvin, you get 3 out of 8 of 4,000, which is 1,500. And for Simon, you get 1 out of 8 times 4,000 is indeed, of course, 500. Done. That is how you can approach exercises like 67 and also 68. And of course, 68, it gets more difficult because 68C is tricky because there's a difference given. Figure it out, guys.